Day 5 at the Masters, 32 guys left.
It's early.
It is early.
7 a.m. the alarm went off, and here we are. About to watch Brandon and Parker hopefully win their matches this morning. Brandon drew Dom Barrett, and Parker drew Jesse DeLeo, I believe he's from Sweden? Finland. Left-hander as well, so it's going to be exciting, and let's get into it.
Let's go.
Tells me, don't change balls. Your ball's fine. You're in the pocket. Just fiddle with your wrist. And I always have to change my wrist position. And now Dad can strike. He's hitting the pocket, but all he does is flat 7. So I'm gonna go ask him, fiddle your wrist. And I have the mic, so we're just gonna see his reaction silently. No, secretly. To get the 7 out, why don't you fiddle with your wrist a little bit more?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't think he liked my answer.
No?
I think he's already trying that. It just doesn't work. Ball with 15,000.
What's Sam's down?
15,000.
1,500.
It's gonna be shiny as a bald man's head if I hit it with 15,000.
Okay. Stop it. Yeah, and Matt Russo is the ball rep.
Yep.
And went to go get more pads because this pad is as dead as could be.
Dom Barrett gave up game 3. And yeah, now we're going Kyle Sherman.
And Dad's still alive.
And Dad's still alive too. Dad threw a double in the 10th. Slapped
the 7 out like a G.
Slapped the 7.
Like.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the United States Bowl Partners,
Kung Fu Panda.
900 Global.
He was Kung Fu fighting.
And Storm.
recapping the round of 24, Brandon lost by a pin to Kyle Sherman and had no idea that his math was wrong. When he got up, he thought he needed all 3 1/10 to tie, and all 3 1/10 was a loser by 1. And he was more upset about the math being wrong than the fact that he just lost by a pin in the loser's bracket. But on the bright side, Dad won, so that's cool.
Yeah, Dad is going to bowl the goat.
He's bowling Belmonte in the next round. Rematch from the World Championship.
Be interesting, both on different sides of the lane. Partners got a really good look, and hopefully the ball goes through the pins like mine. And
well, hopefully his ball goes through the pins like it has the last 2 matches.
That is true.
And better than yours had in match play this week.
Yes, we need to get the 8 out, slap the 7 out.
And get the 5 to tip into the 7.
Yes, and Belmonte not strike at all.
And we'll be fine. All right.
Go. Run it up.
It's a respectful thing.
Let's go.
How about that?
That was pretty good.
Well, the first 2 games was actually pretty solid, minus the shot in the 10th. But then I decided to try something there the 3rd game, and well, let's just say it probably wasn't the greatest, but it looked like Belmonte was really having a struggle on the pair as well. So whatever I was doing, filling a couple of frames along the way, fortunately got an early double there after the open. Well, the rest is history. I'm advancing, so let's go.
He's a PBA Hall of Famer. He has 35 PBA titles, including the 2001 USBC Masters. From Jackson, New Jersey, Parker Bohn.